Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have my birthday unboxing. I usually have something in mind for my birthday, like exactly what I want. And Ronnie is one who likes to get me what I want for my birthday. He doesn't usually surprise me, but this year I didn't have anything in mind and we just decided to go shopping one day and see what we find. I fell in love with a bag that you're probably gonna roast me for because you know I love colorful bags and this is quite different to what I normally choose. So I wore the dress that I was wearing that day when we went shopping so you could see exactly why I fell in love with this bag, and I can see it working so well in my colorful wardrobe. Plus I picked up a couple of things from the Christmas animation, so I will show you that as well. By the way, if you're new here, hi, my name is Morgan. I make videos about luxury handbags, fashion, and lifestyle, so if that's your thing, please subscribe and turn on notifications. I try to upload twice a week. I know I'm horrible about it, but I'm trying to get better. I've had a bit of travel recently for some family matters, and you know that kind of messed up my upload schedule, but I'm really trying to get that back in order. And let's just get into my birthday unboxing. We'll start with this little guy. This is from the Christmas animation, and I picked up the mini pochette with this cute little Hollywood design. It's on the Demi Azur print. I think that's how you say it. This is probably now the last mini pochette in my collection. They're starting to get up there in price now. I wanted one on this light colored canvas, and I thought these colors were just so cute and adorable and very me. So I'm glad that I added this one to my collection, but I think I am probably done with mini pochettes. I mean, I know I say that every year and then they come out with something really cute, so let's see. But right now I'm really happy with my mini pochette collection. This one has like a fuchsia color. They matched the flower around the character here. On the inside you have, oh, this is the little tag that it comes with, and it's also the fuchsia inside. I'm really happy I got my hands on this one. I went and picked it up the day after the collection launched in Dubai. My essay messaged me the day it launched and she pulled the two pieces I had previously asked her for aside, and I picked it up the next day, and when I went to pick it up, a lot of the pieces from the collection were already sold out. If you're looking to get a piece from this collection, I would run to your nearest Louis Vuitton or contact your essays now because they're probably already getting low in stock. But occasionally you can order and then they just come in like a month or two later. So you might want to ask your essays about that too. You know how it goes with these mini pochettes. They always go above retail on the pre-loved market. So it's best to get them in store if you can. And now that they're going up in price, I would be a little scared to see what the pre-loved price is going to be once these sell out. The next item is something that when I saw that they did this is the first time they've done this for the holiday collection. Also one of my favorite items. You guys know I love a good twilly. And I got the London themed Bando scarf. I'm not really into a lot of this like darker brown color, but when you wrap this and you leave the design on the end down, I think it's really cute. And then on the back you have the bigger version of the design. I usually remove this little tag here. I just haven't done it yet. I thought this one was super cute. When I saw that this was coming out, I had to order it. I will say, the way the design is done with the little dog, I wish it was a little bit cleaner and looked a little bit better, but I went ahead and went for this because London is, you know, one of my favorite cities in the world, and I used to have corgi growing up, and I really liked that it had pink in the design so that I can use this on my pink bags. And I think when I wrap it, I would wrap it more so on this side so there's less of like these little things showing, because I usually like a pattern that makes a pretty wrap. When it has these kind of like chunky things, it doesn't look as nice on the wrap. I like that I can wrap it with just this like plain side, and then you don't really see the snowflakes too much. I did test out wrapping it. I really like that if I don't want to have so much red showing, I can use both of these sides hanging down. And with the little hearts, you can almost use this as like a Valentine's scarf as well. So it kind of goes for a few more holidays, and I just love that it has the little dog. I'm so obsessed with it. Let me see if I can show you close up. I think it's so cute and adorable, and just a really beautiful addition to the Louis Vuitton holiday collection. Now for the main event. Now I'm gonna preface a very small story with this. This is a style of bag I have been looking for years. I just hadn't decided the color and the size. So while we were in Louis Vuitton, I decided to look at the different colors, the different sizes that they had, really decide what works for me. And I always thought I would go for the like teal Tiffany blue, like pre-loved of this. And I recently got a bag I haven't shown you, and it'll probably be a couple months because it's sitting in the US, so I have to go back and get it. It arrived after I left from the US. So if I would have gotten this bag in that color, it would have been too redundant for the new bag that I just got. I was kind of open to seeing the colors for this, and I was open to even sizing as well. I knew I wanted a daily use size. I had a lot of pink versions of this bag in stock in the store right now, and I was looking at them and I was thinking, you know, do I really need this in pink? And then she just brought out something completely different from what I would normally go for, and I fell in love with it. So let me get into the bag because I know that's what you want to see here. And I'm going to just put the box down because it's too much to hold it. Before I reveal this, pause and comment below what color you think I got and what bag you think it is. I would love to see what your guesses are and how different they are from the bag itself. But I went for a beige Capucines bag. I know, beige. You guys are probably like, what? And here's the reason why. Like, look how it looks with my outfit here, and this is what I was wearing. She was bringing me colors in this bag, and I tried on some pink ones, brought a black one that had some colorful accents as well. She had some with exotics, so I didn't look at those because there was a pink one with a python handle as well, and I didn't want an exotic. But then she brought this out, and when she brought it across the room, I was like, I don't think that's for me. And then I held it and I was like, I love this bag. I literally fell in love with this bag. I had been looking actually at like a beige Claire cocoa handle, possibly going for something in that kind of family. I saw how well this went with, like, I love to wear this like straw raffia kind of accessories in the summer, and this just looks amazing. I'm gonna insert some full outfit photos over here so you can see how it looks on, but oh my god. Also, I have to say, Louis Vuitton leather smells amazing. I bought a Louis Vuitton leather piece except my on the go. Most of my Louis Vuitton pieces are canvas. And let me tell you, the leather for this versus the on the go is completely different. This feels so luxurious. It smells luxurious. But let me get into some of the details of what this bag is. This is the color called Arizona. They do have a matching belt, which I'm trying to locate because I think with this type of a bag, I see this is a lifetime bag and I would like to have a matching belt with it. I believe this is the MM size. It's the biggest one they make now. They used to have a GM, but my essay said that they've discontinued that because it was just like too massive and people weren't really going for it. So this is the biggest size they carry now. You can wear it also like this. Over time, this will relax and fall flat. I saw some of the pieces that had been tried on multiple times that had been in the store for a while, and it did lay flat. So when it's new, it's more structured, and then it does relax a little bit once you use the bag. On the inside, you have a little clasp for security. You have a zipper pocket, and then you just have like two open pockets here. Hard to see, but this little strap here is what you tuck this flap into. I will be getting an organizer for this. This is a leather lined bag as well, and leather lined bags are very prone to scratching. Definitely for a bag like this, I want to make sure it looks beautiful and nice for as long as possible. I'm also going to look into getting a base shaper as well. So this kind of design can be prone to sagging in the corners if you don't take care of this bag properly. It does feel quite structured. There is something in the base reinforcing it. You can feel it inside. That's a nice change from like the cocoa handle. You don't feel that same support. Let me show you a little more close up. There's the LV in the front. It's just plain on the back. I'm okay with it not having a back pocket because this is very easy to get in and out of, so I don't mind my phone being on the inside. And once I have an insert, I'll make sure it has like a pocket where I can put my phone, so my things are not just like moving around. You also get a shoulder strap. Now you cannot crossbody this strap. This is just for on the shoulder. How it looks with the strap on, you can see it's not a huge drop, but it is perfect for like wearing as a shoulder bag. Also imagine that when I wear this bag, I'm probably only gonna wear it when I have a twilly on it. I think that will add more color and also protect this beige handle, because over time I'm sure the oils of your hands and just like stuff on your hands will like discolor this. It's such a light color leather. So I will be wearing this exclusively with a twilly. I'm really trying to move away from mini bags. As I've reached a point in my collection where I have a lot of colors, I have a lot of, you know, mini and fun bags. I'm really being more considerate and more careful about what I'm adding to my collection. Is it going to be a lifetime bag? Making sure that if I'm going for a bag so expensive, it's something I can see myself wearing for decades. I'm keeping those trendy bags for things that are like lower priced, like in the Kate Spade range, in the non-branded range. So I'm trying to really be more considerate and careful of what I'm adding. I think having one good daily use size beige bag in my collection is perfect. I have decided I am going to let go of my Balenciaga City in the medium size because I don't need this and that in my collection. I've decided I don't need the Chanel beige. This is the beige that I really like. When I tried it on, I thought it suited my skin tone. I thought it suited, you know, the colors I was wearing and could pair really easily like with these types of bright colorful dresses. I think this is one that even though it's very different for what I normally go for, it's something that I can see myself really using and enjoying for the long term. Just have to tell you, the service and the shopping experience at Louis Vuitton here in Dubai is so exceptional. I just went in to pick up these Christmas pieces. I ended up looking at a few other Christmas pieces. We were downstairs in the regular, you know, area of Louis Vuitton, and I started to pick a couple of other Christmas items. I did pick up a few things for some family members. I'll do little recordings of them, and then once I have given them for Christmas, I'll show them on my stories or something. I started looking at bags. My essay booked the upstairs private VIP room. We went upstairs and I started considering a couple of bags. I was actually looking at some different styles as well. And it was just so amazing. The upstairs room was like so glamorous. I've never had a shopping experience like that in my life. But a few of the photos that I took from stories over here, I didn't take video. I was just kind of living in the moment and enjoying that experience. I didn't even know it was my birthday, and it was just, you know, she was just giving us an amazing shopping experience. I just mentioned that we were shopping for my birthday as I was deciding between bags, and I finally decided on this one. And then as the bill came, so did a bouquet of flowers. And I was just like, wow, they just go above and beyond. Not like a VIP or a VVIP or anything like that here in Dubai. I see something I like, I always go the same person. That's one thing that, like, I love my essay at Louis Vuitton. I'm very loyal and I always go to her when I want something. So just receiving that treatment was amazing. Almost slightly disappointed though when I saw the box, because you know there was a big influencer campaign around this bag, I think in this year, like kind of recently, and they got these beautiful boxes that like opened up like this, and the bag was like sitting on like a little box, and the dust bag had their initials. I didn't expect a dust bag with my initials on it, but I thought that this bag came in a box that like opened up, like it sat on its own little shelf and it was like strapped in. I thought it came in that box, but it really comes in a regular like Louis Vuitton box. Honestly, I don't need another box, so I just wanted to mention that because it was a misconception that I had seeing the influencers unbox this bag. I thought that that's the type of box that this bag came in. Not really like a big deal or anything, and the experience was so amazing. But in case you were expecting that that's how you were going to receive your bag as well, in that type of box, that's not the box that you get with this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I didn't go too much into, you know, a review of it because I haven't even used the bag yet. I want to make sure I get inserts for it. So I will keep you updated as I use it, and I do show how I style my bags on Instagram. So make sure you're following me on my Instagram if you want to see how I style my daily looks. And I'm afraid to say it, but let me know what you think of the bag in the comments. Was it unexpected? Did you guess right? Did you ever think I would get a bag in this color? And I will be showing how I'm going to incorporate this more into my colorful wardrobe. So if you do enjoy a neutral bag, which I have never said neutral bags are bad, it's just not me to have a full collection of only neutrals. If you want to see how to style neutral bags in a more colorful way, I will be posting how I'm styling this on my stories, so keep an eye out for that. If you want like a TikTok or a video follow-up, maybe later on once I've had this bag for 6 months, I can give you a better in-depth review and show you how I've been styling it more. So let me know if that's something you'll be interested in as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!